I chose the Cystic Fibrosis Trust because one of my son's friends is affected by CF, and I didn't really realise that he had it until he came around for a sleepover and brought all these drugs with him. And as I got to know him and the family better, I realised what life with CF was really like. And in particular the isolation, because CF sufferers can't socialise with each other because of the risk of infection. So I just wanted to nominate, when the charities came around, I wanted to nominate this charity because it seemed like a way to do something positive.
For me, now that I'm 10.5 years post-transplant, it doesn't affect my daily life hugely, other than having to take handfuls of tablets and do a couple of nebulizers every day. For most people with cystic fibrosis, it's a much bigger, much heavier burden on their daily life because it's hours of physiotherapy, it's way more nebulizers than I have to take, and it's also probably way more tablets than I have to take. So it's because it's a multi-system condition, it makes a massive difference to people's lives in terms of what they're able to do.
My favourite activity for giving something back week has to be keep calm and carry on cycling. We had the On Your Trademarks team take part, 5 of us. It was gruelling, but we had a number of tough targets to meet with a number of other partners and associates and trainees who'd taken part, as well as the catering and the tax team. I'm pretty sure we came in the bottom half, but we all really enjoyed it. It was great fun.
Seeing everyone absolutely going hell for leather on those bikes has been amazing, even if that's the run-up to getting your coffee was a challenge in itself.
So the obvious answer is to raise lots of money for those affected by CF and to make their lives easier. But we'd also like to help some young people who are affected by CF to with interview practice and CV writing and perhaps some work experience, should that be appropriate.
Today, Thursday, we had Ollie in kind of to talk about his experience and what it does to him and the people around him, and also what we can take away from that. And I think it's not just all the activities that people have kind of volunteered for, but also to, going forward, show all of us a bit who we're helping and what it does for people.
We have lots going on to reach our target of £20,000. We have 2 flagship quizzes in April and October. We have sporting events, bake sales and lots more throughout the year. It's also a bit of light relief from your day job and a great way to give back to the community. We promote our events in various ways, for example through London Connected, posters in the kitchen and emails from our community champions, so please do look out for these. We are always looking for fresh ideas or different ways of fundraising, so if you do have any ideas, please contact myself or Sayed Akaja from the CR team, or you can also email one of the community champions.
Bird and Bird's support for cystic fibrosis and for the Trust is so important to me because it's about raising awareness with people, but it's also about raising the funds to make a difference to the lives of people with cystic fibrosis. It's not just breathlessness, it's not just physiotherapy. It affects so much of people's lives, and we need to do everything that we can.
So I'd just like to say a big thank you to everyone who has supported the charity so far and for any future support. Thank you very much.
Thank you all for your support.
A big thank you to everyone in London who has been so enormous, tremendous in volunteering, helping and fundraising, and we hope that everyone will just stay with the programme and do many more spectacular things over the next 18 months.
Yes, thank you all very much.
Thank you so much for everything that you're doing for people with cystic fibrosis and supporting the Cystic Fibrosis Trust in our fight for a life unlimited by cystic fibrosis.